geometry. Okay. Okay. So maybe a continuation of last year version. It's the most important chapter this year. Okay. Because we have how many chapters we have in geometry? Most of the geometry this year will finish. You have lines and angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, area that is deleted, triangles, constructions. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chapter. Okay. Out of 15, 6 chapter is geometry only. This is the first chapter. Okay. Okay. After this only, I'll do other chapters. This is the most important chapter. So we finish before.
So what's the name?
Lines and angles. Lines and angles. Okay. Okay, now we finished already number system. Then we did Heron's formula
Heron's formula.
and coordinate geometry. Okay. After this, I'll go to linear equation or polynomials. Okay. Polynomial also a lengthy chapter. Okay. So this one I'm doing first now because Gulf Indian students have test this chapter, right or no, Alina?
Yes, sir.
So that's why first I'm doing this. Okay. Could DPS know the test now? Okay, this chapter we are starting. Okay, another thing. Saturday, sorry, not Saturday. Tuesday, there will be some changes in the timing. Is it okay for you? I can keep it 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have school at that time.
No, Tuesday holiday.
Tuesday.
So only this week?
Yeah, only this week, this Tuesday.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, I fixed because I have one program. That's why. Okay. I don't want to cancel.
2 to?
2 to 3:45. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So fix now. Okay, Tuesday time. Okay. Okay. Only this Tuesday. Rest all same. And also next week onwards, our normal time we back to 6:30 because fasting is all over. Okay. Now look at here lines and angles. Look, you learn first lines. Lines, no endpoint. This is called what? Lines. Okay, this is a basic chapter, very important chapter. Okay, this is for applicable for all other classes. Lines, then no endpoint. Line segment, endpoint is there. Okay, then ray. Ray is what? One endpoint like this. Ray. Then you learn angle. Different types of angles, right? Different types of angles there. This one angle means this type, this is called angle. A, B, C. Okay. Then you learn acute angle. What is that acute angle?
Below 60.
Below?
And
90.
Below
90
Below 90
degree.
Okay. Not 90 degree, below 90. Okay.
So angle below 90.
Okay. Don't need to say all. Okay, together. Okay. Below 90, that is called acute angles. 90 degree, right angles. Above 90, obtuse angle. Right or not? Right? Okay. Between 90 and 180, that is called obtuse angle. So 180 degree, straight line. Okay. Above 180, it is called the reflex angles. Okay. Listen. This one, the example of AOB. This is obtuse angle. And this one, it is called obtuse angles. And reflex is like this. Okay. And 90 degree like this. This angle 90 degree. These are the angles you learn. Okay. I'm not going to explain that all. Okay. So this just for information. Listen once again. Obtuse angle is between 90 to 180. Okay. 180 to 360, that is called reflex angle. Then obtuse below 90, that is called acute angles. 90 degree right angles. Okay. And you studied maybe complement angle. What do you mean by complement angle?
The two angles join together to form 180 degree.
No, 90 degree. Sum of two angles, Sum of two angles 90, it is called the complementary angles. Okay. Sum of two angles 90, that is called complementary angle. Sum of two angles 180, it is called the supplementary angles. Okay, that is called the supplementary angles. Okay, so that's we need to learn. Sum of two angles whose sum is 90 degree is called the complementary angles, like 30 and 60, 20 and 70, 10 and 80. Okay. And two angles 180 degree, it is called the supplementary angles, like 130 and 50, like that. Examples. Okay. Okay, this all we learned already. Okay, first you correct on, you learn this all. Then on I can start this year portions. Okay, this important thing definitions: complementary angles. Some of the two angles 90 degree. It is called the complementary angles. Suppose 10 and 80. Can you give an a pair of complementary angles, Aisha? Hello, Aisha. Aisha Ashraf. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, a pair of complementary angle.
Repeat the question.
I need, you know, what is a complementary angles? Complementary angles, yes or no?
No, sir.
Hey, you heard about Anjali? What is that
Sir,
complementary angles? Okay, wait, okay, no problem. Anjali, what is the complementary angle?
So sum of two angles is 90 degree.
Yeah, sum of two angles 90 degree. Give an example.
So 45 plus 45.
Yeah, 45, 45. Okay. Then Bhargavi, give another example.
Sir, 35 plus 55.
35, 55, 90 degree. Okay. Aisha, now clear or not?
sir.
Okay, give an example. Sum of two angles 90 degree. Give me.
Sir, 60 plus 30.
No, 60 and 30. Not plus, okay? Okay, 60 and
30.
okay. 60 and 30, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain me again everything, because internet was not good.
Okay. Okay, I'm just discuss about okay. Look at here. What I did, no, we are discussing about the angles. Okay. First, I explain acute angle. Acute angle is between 0 to 90, like 30 degree, 45 degree, like that. Then obtuse angle. Angle between 90 to 180. That is called obtuse angles. 135, 120, like that. Then angle between angle between 180 to 360 degree. That is called reflex angles. Okay, this all you learn. After that, I explain complementary angles. Complementary angle means sum of two angles is 180 degree. 90 degree. It is called complementary angles. Okay, like 30 and 60, 50 and 40, 45, 45, 10 and 80. 20 and 70, like that. And clear or not?
Yes.
Okay. And sum of two angles 180 degree. Sum of two angles 180 degree. That is called the supplementary angles. That is called supplementary angles. Okay. Then now, look, my question. Suppose two angles are complementary angles. Alina, first angle is X. What about the complementary angles? One angle is X. What about the next angle? Alina. Hello.
I didn't understand the question.
Question is, complementary angle is what?
Sum of the angles is 90 degrees.
Two angles are 90 degrees. Okay, good. And one angle X. What about the next angle?
90 minus x.
90 minus X. 90 minus X. Correct or no? One angle X, next is 90 minus X. Okay. Now my question, one angle 90 minus X. What about the next angle? One angle 90 minus X. Next angle is what? X. Correct or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay. Okay, that all we'll discuss that later. Okay. Now, my next topic is adjacent angles. This is a new topic we are going to learn. Okay, look at here. Okay. Here, two angles there is. A, B, C, and D here. Okay, or I can give, okay. A, B, C, and A, B, D. A, B, C, and A, B, D. Look, this angle A, B, C, and angle A, B, D. Okay, angle A, B, D, angle A, B, C, and A, B, D. Two angles. Okay, these two angles, angle B is a common point, correct or no? Angle ABC and angle ABD, these two angles have a common vertex B, and common arm here. For example, your flat, okay, your flat here, and your neighbor flat is here, okay, maybe the wall sharing, correct or wall sharing will be there, okay. So here, flat number A, flat number B, okay, correct or no, right? Your flat like that only, no, there is a wall sharing there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so our building, there is no like that, okay. So here, A here, B here, okay. So the next, this wall is a common, correct? We cannot say, the A guys, we cannot say, this is my wall. No, we cannot say. Okay, that is B also cannot say this is B's common. It's a common wall and common area there is, correct? You know, we are going to the corridor and all common area, right?
Yes, sir.
We cannot. No one can argue that this is my location. We cannot walk along this. A lift also common only, correct? The flat system like that only. If you want the independent, otherwise independent house, independent villas only like that. Flat or like that only common area will be there. Okay, maybe swimming pool. That's a common only, right? Okay. So, so like that here, angle ABC and angle ABD have a common arm. The common vertex B. Common vertex is B. Look here. Listen. Look here. Suppose three. You can see three pen here. Okay. This area and this area. This pen is a common for all. Look. AB is common for both. AB is common for both. Okay. So we have to listen. AB is common for both. That means these two angles have angle ABC and angle ABD. They have a common vertex. They have a common vertex. That means B is a common, and they have a common arm. This arm is common. Third point, there is no common interior point. There is no common interior point. That means this angle area here, this area here. For example, come to the flat. between A and B, inside the flat, between A and there is no common point, correct or no? Because flat A only for A, correct? The kitchen and
Yes, sir.
only for A. B kitchen only for B. There is no common area for that between A and B, correct or no? Wall
Yes,
is a
sir.
common, but inside is not common, correct or no? Are you okay or not? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. That means two angles are said to be adjacent angles. They are called adjacent angles. They have a common vertex, common arm, but there is no common interior point. There is no common interior place. Like exactly like your flat. Flat A and B have a common wall. There is. Okay. Even the suppose 11th and 12th floor, there is a common place. There is the roof. Roof is a common, correct? The 11th floor guy cannot say this is my roof. No, this is a common places. Okay, but these two guys have there is no common. Okay, A cannot go and sit here more time. Correct? A guys cannot sit here, and B also cannot come and sit here. Okay, we sitting okay, but there's no common place. This type of angles are called adjacent angles. Clear now? Once again, two angles are said to be adjacent angles. They have a common. Once again, look this one. A, B, O here, B here. This is C here. Look, angle AOC and angle BOC are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means they have a common vertex. Look, O is common. Angle AOC, O there is. Angle BOC, O there is. Two angles are said to be adjacent angles. They have a common vertex, common arm, and no common interior part. There is no common interior part. Clear or not? Bhargavi, is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that once again, two angles are said to be adjacent angles. One, they have a common vertex, common arm. There is no common interior part. Okay, this is called adjacent angles. Then another case. Suppose these two angles. Look at
So
here.
what's the third common thing?
There is no common interior part.
Interior.
There is no common interior part. That means, look, angle BOC. This is the area. This is the area. This is this area. Any common places here? No, because you cannot go here. You cannot go. That is called. Or we can say the uncommon arms. Uncommon arms on either side of the common. See, this is this arm and this arm at both sides. Or better easy way, there is no common interior part. Simple. Once again, two angles are said to be adjacent angles. One, they have a common vertex. Okay. Two, they have a common arm. Then there is no common interior part. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose, look, another word that is the most important part, this chapter, okay? Here, okay. Look, angle AOC and BOC. Angle AOC and BOC. Look, angle AOC and BOC are adjacent angles, correct or no?
Yes, sir.
AOC and BOC are adjacent angles. Reason what? OC common, O is the common vertex.
Vertex.
There is no common interior part. This is going here, this is going here. Okay. But compared to this one, look. What is the difference between these two?
So the top one is a
Sir, there are two arms here.
This one, look at here. This one, this
sum is
becomes straight,
180.
right? Hey, this becomes straight like this, right? It was like this. When this figure, it comes straight, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when this becomes straight, okay, so this type of angles, the non-common arms become a straight line. That is called the linear pairs. What do you call?
Linear
What do you
pair.
call? Linear pairs. That means this non-common arm, AOB is a straight line. This is called the linear pair. At the same time, they are adjacent angles. At the same time, they are adjacent angles, but a special name it is called the linear pairs. Clear or not? So we learn now two words. One is adjacent angles. Two, linear pair. Okay. My question: the linear pairs are adjacent angles?
No,
All
sir, not
linear
all.
pairs are adjacent angles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct or no? All linear pairs
Yes,
are
sir.
adjacent angles. Correct or no? Because this is AOC and BOC, O common. OC is the common vertex. They are adjacent angles. Okay. What about all adjacent angles are linear pairs?
No, sir.
No.
Sometimes.
No, sir.
This is not an adjacent angle. So that we can say all linear pairs are adjacent angles. All adjacent angles are not linear pairs. Correct or no?
Yes.
Like all police. All police are human being. Right? All human beings are not police. Correct or no? All police are human being. But all human beings are not police. Like that. All adjacent angles are not linear pairs, but all linear pairs are adjacent angles. Clear or not? Okay, now we have to write, okay, and in linear pair, what about this sum? This sum how much? This plus this one how much?
80 degree.
Eh?
180 degree.
180 degree. Because a straight line, no, it will be some of the angles in the linear pairs are 180 degree. And also some of the angles in a straight line. Suppose some angles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This all will be 180 degree only. Angles in a straight line also 180 degree. Okay, write this one. I'm not going to write all the cases. You just write complementary angle onwards. Right. Header, lines and angles. Lines and angle. Lines and angle. Okay. Right. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Are called complementary angles. Are called complementary angles. Okay, example 30, 60. 30, 60.
So this is the first point.
First point, two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Two angles
Okay, sir.
Whose sum is 90 degree. It is called complementary angles. Example, you can write any examples like 45, 45, 30, 60, 50, 40, like that. Okay. Okay. Next, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Two angles two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Example: 20, 160, 130, 50. Okay.
Can it be 90 plus 90 also?
Yeah, 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90. Okay. So if the question saying two complementary angles are equal, what? 90, 90. Two supplementary angles are equal, 45, two complementary angles are equal, 45, 45. Two supplementary angles are equal, 90, 90, like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, then write an angle whose measure 180 degree. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight line. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called straight line. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight line. Okay, you can draw one figure A, O, B. This angle 180 degree. Just draw with a pencil. Only use pencil. Okay, two angles. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight line.
Okay. Can you repeat?
An angle whose measure is 180 degree. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight line. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight line. An angle whose measure is 180 degree. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight line. Okay. Then next, an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree. An angle whose measure is more than 180 is called a reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 but less than 360. An angle is more than 180 but less than 360. But less than 360 is called reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 but less than 360 is called reflex angle. Reflex angle. Example: 240. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat?
Okay. An angle whose measure is more than 180 but less than 360, it is called a reflex angle.
For example,
Any angle, 190. Okay. Look at here. Listen, an angle. Once again, hello. I noticed last class, Richa, not Richa, Krisha, Ridhika, and all submitted the paper after the time. Okay. So next test onwards, you have to submit within the time limit. Otherwise, I won't check that paper. Okay. Because what is the meaning of the live test? You submitting after I gave extra time, 9:15. Okay, I gave you 9:25 till. Still not submitted, I won't check that. That means we consider if listen, there is no use of live test. So you're supposed to submit within the time only. Okay. Okay, now look at here. Listen. These are the points we discussed today. One is complementary angles. What? Total is 180 degree. Two angles, sum is 90 degree. Then supplementary angles, two angles, total is 180 degree. Okay. Then adjacent angles. Oh, we didn't write that one. Okay. So Rahul, up to understood that one, supplementary angles and complementary angles understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the basic idea. Okay. If you have a problem, clear it now. Otherwise, throughout, I told you, 6 chapters there is this continuation. 6 chapters, this lines and angle continuation is triangle. Triangle continuation is quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral continuation is polynomial, parallelograms. Parallelograms all continuation is circle. Is all continuation is construction. So the link is first here today. Okay. Then, okay, now you write adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Okay. Adjacent angle. Two angles are called adjacent angles. 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 Okay. Two angles are called adjacent angles if one, they have a same vertex. They have a same vertex. They have common. They have the same vertex. They have the same vertex. Two, they have a common arm. They have a common arm. They have a common arm. Three, no common interior part. No common interior part. No common interior part. No.
Can you explain interior part again?
Okay, I'll explain that part. You just write. First you write, then I'll explain that. What you wrote? Two angles are called adjacent angles if one, they have the same vertex. They have the same vertex. Two, they have a common arm. They have a common arm. Three, no common interior part. No common interior part. In bracket, you write uncommon arms. Uncommon arms. Uncommon arms are on either side of the common arm. Are either side of the common arm. Uncommon arms are either side of the common arm. Uncommon arms are either side of the common arm. Okay, now listen here. Look.
So the third point is and the common arm are
Wait. Listen. Okay. Suppose these angles are adjacent angles. Okay, look. What is the first reason? They have a same vertex. What is that? O. Angle AOC, angle BOC. O is common. First point clear or not? Sakshi,
Yes, sir.
first point clear or
Yes.
not? Everyone clear? The first point, they have a common, they have a common vertex or common vertex, a same vertex. They have a same vertex. Sanvi, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they have a common vertex, that is O. Okay, second point, they have a common arm. That means OC is a common arm. OC is common, like AOC and BOC. AOC and BOC. Okay. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
AOC and BOC. Okay. Now, third point. Okay, this is the common arm. This is uncommon. This is also uncommon. These two uncommon arms are either side, not one side. Look, this is the common. This one here. This is here. Then it is called the adjacent angles. Or there is no common interior. That means this is the interior part. Interior means what? This is the interior or this is interior here. If you cannot understand this word enough, uncommon arms. Uncommon arms are on either side of the common arm. Clear or not? Uncommon arms are either side of the common arm. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Yes,
have
sir.
doubt? The definition clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Once again, two angles. Listen, two angles are said to be. Two angles are said to be adjacent angles. One, they have a same vertex. Two, they have they have a common arm. Two uncommon arms are on either side of the common arm. That means one is here, one is here. That's only. Okay, draw this figure. Okay. Okay, draw this one then, right? Angle AOC, angle AOC and angle BOC, angle AOC and angle BOC, angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Angle AOC and BOC are adjacent angles. AOC and BOC are adjacent angles. Okay. Right. They have common vertex O. They have common vertex O and common arm OC. Common arm OC. And arms OA and OB are arms OA and OB, arms OA and OB are either side of the common arm. Arms OA and OB are arms OA and OB are either side of the common arm. Arms OA and OB are either side of the common arm. Arms OA and OB are either side of the common arm.
So can you repeat from the starting?
Okay. Angle AOC. Okay. Angle AOC. Okay. Listen. Angle AOC. Angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Angle AOC and BOC are adjacent angles. Right. They have a common vertex O. They have a common vertex O, common arm OC, common arm, common arm, OC, and uncommon arms OA and OB are either side of OC. Okay. It's clear now. Angle AOC. Can you read? Come on. This is clear now. AOC and BOC are adjacent angles. They have a common vertex O. They have a common arm OC, and OA and OB are either side of OC. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, next point, linear pair of angles. 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 Okay. Two adjacent angles are said to form. Two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair of angles. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair of angles. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair of angles. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair of angles if their non-common arms are, if their non-common arms are, if their non-common arms, if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. If their non-common arms are two opposite rays. If their non-common arms are opposite rays. Okay, I'll give note again. Two adjacent angles, two adjacent angles, two adjacent angles, two adjacent angles are said to form, two adjacent angles are said to form linear pair of angles, linear pair of angles, linear pair of angles, comma, if their non-common arms are, if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. If their non-common arms are two opposite rays. If their non-common arms are two opposite rays. It's clear or not?
Should we have to draw a figure?
Yeah, draw figure. Draw this figure. Okay, so then right, angle AOC and BOC, angle AOC and BOC, angle AOC and BOC, angle AOC and BOC are linear pairs, are linear pairs. Angle AOC and BOC are linear pairs, linear pairs. Okay, then right, all linear pairs are adjacent angles. All linear pairs are adjacent angles. All linear pairs are adjacent angles, but all adjacent angles are not linear pairs. But all adjacent angles are all adjacent angles are not linear pairs.
Sir, can you repeat from the starting?
Listen, all linear pairs are adjacent angles. All linear pairs are adjacent angles. All linear pairs are adjacent angles, whereas all adjacent angles are not linear pairs. Clear or not? Okay. So now, what are the point? Okay, then right. Some of the angles in a linear pairs are supplementary. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Angles in a linear. Some of the angles in a linear pair is supplementary. Some of the angles in a linear pair is supplementary.
So some of the angles.
Some of the angles in a linear pair is supplementary. Some of the angles in a linear pair is supplementary. Some of the angles in a linear pair is okay. Now look at here. So anyone have doubt? Hello, just check your note. These are the points. One is complementary angles. Two, supplementary angles. Then straight line. Then adjacent angles. Then linear pair. Okay, these points, anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
So listen, because problem is, if you have doubt, clear it now. Otherwise, next classes, even next year also you'll face a problem. Okay. So Rahul, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm going to do some question related to okay, the complementary angles and okay. So once again, complementary angle means sum of the two angle is 90 degree. Sum of the two angle is 90 degree. It is called the complementary angles. Okay, if one angle is 30, next angle is 90 minus 30, 60. One angle is 10, next angle 90 minus 10 is 80, like that. And supplementary angle means sum is 180 degree. One angle 20, next angle 180 minus 20, 160, like that. Okay. Now write the question. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle which is complement of itself. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle which is complement of itself.
So, of an angle.
Listen. Find the measure of an angle which is complement of itself. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle which is complement of itself.
So, can you explain that question?
Hey, listen, let me finish the question, Tabitha. Find the measure of an angle which is complement of itself. Question clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, question complete or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, the question is find the measure of an angle which is complement of itself. Okay, look at here. I told you, complementary angle means sum is 90 degree. One angle 30, next angle 60. One angle 40, next angle 50. One angle 60, next angle 30. One angle 20, next angle 70. One angle is 10, next angle is 80. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Tabitha. Then my question, find the measure of an angle which is complement of itself. What is that meaning? Hey, once again, come on. 10, how much? 80. Agree or no?
Yes, sir.
10 is 80. 20, how much?
70.
70.
7. 30,
60.
60.
7.
40,
50.
50.
41,
59.
59. 49, right? Not
49.
more, not exceed 90. Okay. 42, 42,
48.
40, 43,
47.
47.
47, 46,
44.
44, 45,
44.
45,
45.
45. So that's the answer because both are same. Correct or no?
No, but directly you can do 2x equal to 90, right? Instead
Which
of
one?
doing like this.
What?
Like directly we can do 2x equal to 90.
I know
and
that.
divide by
I know that because Tabitha asked a doubt. That's why to clear that. I think Tabitha now clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear? No, I just want okay. Otherwise, I can say x plus x 90, 2x equal to 90, x is 45. Finish. That's only enough. But I want to clear the doubts. The sum is both angle as sum is 90 degree. Like that, the complement of itself. That means like 50, 40. Okay, 45, 45. So that is what 45 each. So you can write now, right? You write, no need this story on x plus x equal to 90. 2x equal to 90. X equal to 45. Okay. Okay, now next question. Next question. Tabitha answer. Okay. Don't answer this. Find the measure of an angle which forms a pair of supplementary angle itself. Supplementary angle itself. Tabitha, what's your answer?
Sir, 90 degrees.
Yeah, 90 degrees. Clear now. I hope you understood now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then right. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle which forms a pair of supplementary angles with itself. Find the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle which forms a pair of supplementary angles with itself. That is, you can write x plus x equal to 180, 2x equal to 180, x equal to 90. Okay. So that will be 90 each. Rahul, clear or not? Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Because see, actually, this is the chapter I'm starting with you, first chapter. Okay, and Aisha and all. Okay, so listen. This is the basic level. Means this chapter continues 6 chapter this year itself. Next year also there is continuation is there is. Okay, okay. Maybe you have
Yes, sir.
sister or brother in class 10. You can see. I'm doing now triangle, same continuation. Okay. So now we got complementary angle, sum is 90. Another one is supplementary is 180. Okay. Next, two supplementary angles differ by 34. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Find the angles.
So
Two
two
supplementary
supplementary
angles.
angles by
Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Find the angle. I'll explain this question. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Find the angles. Okay. Look at here. We can assume first angle x, second angle x plus 34. Difference 34, no? First angle is x. Second angle is x plus 34. Clear? First angle is x. Second angle x plus 34. Why x plus 34? We want difference is 34. X plus 34 minus x is 34. Clear or not? Are you okay or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now x plus 34 equal to 180. Correct? When we add both, 180. 2x plus 34 equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 minus 34. How much? 180 minus 34 is 146. X equal to 73. So that means first angle 73. Second angle is 73 plus 30, 107. Okay. We got first angle 73, second angle is 104. Okay, right. Write the answer. First angle x. First angle x. First angle x. Second angle x plus 34. Then x plus 34, 180. Okay, you can write yourself. Okay.
So what do you wrote as 107? Is it the next question?
What?
So below 73, you wrote 107. What is it? Is it the next question?
Read the question. You just read this question.
Two supplementary angles differ by 34.
Then,
Okay, sir.
because you have to find two angles now. First angle 73.
Okay.
Next angle what? 107.
One-
Two angles you have to find out. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, maybe you have doubt. Why I took x plus 4? Why can't you take x minus 34? Any objection? Are you thinking about like that?
Yes, sir.
Hey, anyone thought like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. sir.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Look at here. No problem. X and x minus 34. So what will get? X plus x minus 34 equal to 180. 2x equal to 214. X equal to 107. So first angle 107, second angle 73. Both are same. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can take any method, method plus. Okay, I just clear what is the difference. Okay. Next. Next one. An angle is equal to. An angle is equal to. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. And Venkita, is okay, clear or not? You getting now?
Yes, sir, I'm getting. Yes, sir, I can understand.
Hello, Venkita, right?
Yes, sir, I can understand.
Okay, listen. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. Find the angles. Find the angles. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement.
Sir, 75 and 15.
Listen, question is, wait, an angle is equal to 5 times its complement. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. Wait, I'll explain here. Listen, first angle x, second angle 90 minus x. Agree or no? Complementary angle like that. First angle x, second angle 90 minus x. Clear or not? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is the condition? An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. So x equal to 5 times 90 minus x. Agree or not? Okay. Anjali, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Listen. First angle x, second angle 90 minus x. As per the question, first angle is 5 times its complement. So x equal to 5 times 90 minus x. So x equal to 450 minus 5x. This is coming here. X plus 5x equal to 450. 6x equal to 450. X equal to how much? 450 divided by 6. How much?
Which is equal to 75.
Equal to 75. So first angle 75. Okay. The measurement of the first angle is 75. Okay, that's only a question. Okay, copy first.
Sir, if we do 5x plus x is equal to 90 degree, then also it's correct, right?
5x plus
5x plus x is equal to 90 degree.
90, then 6x equal to what?
then x is equal to 15 degree and
Yeah,
then
x
we
equal to
multiply
15.
by 5.
Okay, x equal to 15. The problem is they're asking first angle only asking. Understood? No? They're asking you the question read clearly. An angle is equal to 5 times its complement. So the given the second angle only asking here. So you are clearly mentioned that. Then okay, then it's no problem. Okay. Okay, next question. Right. In figure, OA and OB are opposite rays. 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 Okay. If x equal to 25, find the value of y. Find the value of y. X equal to 25. Find the value of. Okay. If x equal to 25, find the value of y. Find the value of y. Okay. Hello. Just draw. Then I'll explain this question. Okay.
Sir, so AO is 2y plus 5 and OB is 3x.
Which one?
Sir,
Yeah.
this question.
No. BOC 3x. AOC 2y plus 5.
Okay.
Sir, can you move?
Okay. Here x is given. X is 25 is given. So you got to find out y. Okay. Try now.
So y is equal to 50.
Let me check.
Yes, sir, I got 52.
Look. Hello. Listen here. Everyone, Kriba, you copy the question, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I could.
Okay. Look at here. X 2. You know that 2y plus 5 plus 3x equal to 180. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
2y plus 5 plus 3x equal to 180. Okay. 2y plus 5 plus 3 into x is 25 equal to 180. And just substitute why this is 180. They are linear pairs. You write that reason. 2y plus 5 plus 3x equal to 180. You write the reason they are linear pairs. Okay. Then 2y plus 5 plus 125. 3 into 25. Oh, 75. Okay. 75 equal to 180. 2y plus 80 equal to 180. 2y equal to 100. Y equal to 50. Anybody got?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
I
sir.
got it.
50.
Okay. So finish it first. Richa, clear? Sabida, Rahul, you got?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can we find it if the value of x is not given?
X already there, no?
if it's not
Anjali,
given,
X already given.
Yes, sir, I know that, but I'm asking if it's not given, can we find it?
Cannot find out. Because two variable, no? Right?
Okay, sir.
Because it, I'll give you a next question. Then you'll clear your doubt. Okay. Two variables. To find the two variables, at least one variable you should have. Then only can find out. Okay. I'll give you next question. Then it will clear that. Okay. It's clear or everyone clear? Krishna, finish or not?
Sir, I didn't understand the 3x.
Which one?
I didn't understand how 3x came because x is equal to 25, right?
I didn't. Why 3x?
Yes, sir, I didn't understand that one.
No, in the figure it is given. See, in the figure,
Okay, sir.
it is given 3x. In the figure, this is 3x, this is 2y plus 5. That is given. I cannot change that. Then we found x is 25. So we substitute, that is 75. So 2y plus 80, 180, 2y 100, y equal to 50. Now clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Next question. In figure, POQ is a straight line. In figure, POQ is a straight line. In figure, POQ is a straight line. Find the value of x. POQ is a straight line. Find the value of x. Okay. Try it out.
Can you
Sir,
repeat the
The
question?
question.
Here, POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. Find the value of x. 40, 4x, 3x. Do it now.
So I got the answer. Done, sir.
Okay, wait. Let's finish all. Okay.
Sir, done.
Sir, what is the value of x?
That's what you have to find out now.
Sir, 20.
Okay, look at here, this question. Look, I just add 40 plus 4x plus 3x equal to 180. 40 plus 7x equal to 180. 7x equal to 140. X equal to 20. Anjali, now clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Because here only x, so we can find like this. 40 plus 4x plus 3x equal to 180. So 4x plus 3x, 7x. 40 plus 7x, 180. 7x equal to 140. X equal to 20. Okay, next one. Okay, next question. In figure, find the value of x. In figure, find the value of x. In figure, find the value of x. Hence, find angle CBD. Hence, find angle CBD and CBF. Hence, find the angle CBD and CBF. CBD and CBF.
Sir, can you repeat?
Question again. In figure, find the value of x. In figure, find the value of, in figure, find the value of x. Hence, find the angle CBD. CBD. CBD and CBF. Let me draw, then you will get idea. Okay. Okay. First, you find the value of x. Find the value of x. Then angle CBD and CBF. CBF. Okay. Try now.
Sir, can you mark C and D?
C and D. Okay. C, D. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat what angles we have to find?
Angle CBD. First you find x. Then find angle CBD and angle CBF. CBD and CBF.
So CBD and BDF.
CBD and CBF. Clear? I don't want X, I want angles. Okay, Amar. Okay. Alina, are you okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you repeat which all angles we should find?
Angle CBD and CBF. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
CBD and CBF. Yeah, wait, Amar. Wait. Let's finish all. Okay, look at here. Hello. Listen here now. First, 2x plus 7 plus x plus 23 plus 2x plus 10 equal to 180. Clear or not? This plus this one 180. Rahul, you got like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many x? 2x, 3x, 5x. Correct?
Yes,
2x
sir.
plus x, 3x. 3x plus 2x, 5x. Plus 7 plus 23, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. Equal to 180. Clear on my calculation correct now? 7 plus 23, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. Okay. 5x equal to 140. Why? 180 minus 40. X equal to 140 by 5, how much? 140 by 5, how much?
28.
28. X equal to 28. Okay, now what you have to find out? Angle CBD. CBD. Okay, angle CBD equal to X plus 23. 28 plus 23, how much?
51.
51 degree.
Okay, angle CB,
50.
So 51.
51, okay. Then angle, which one? CBF.
CBF.
CBF equal to 2x plus 10. 2 into x, 28 plus 10. How much? 56 plus 10. How much? 66, right?
66.
66. We all got this.
I got.
Okay.
Correct.
So I got.
Okay. So, some guys got very weird answer. How Ritika
Sir,
got
CBF.
117?
Sir, CBF, we have to add both of those, right?
We have
C-
to add DBF and CBD.
Yes,
we
sir.
want C-
Then that's
C-
117.
Okay. So we want CBF, right? Okay, this is C. This is not CBF.
Yes, so
CB.
that's DBF.
DBF. Okay, now we want this one. So what will we get? 51 plus 51 plus 66. 7 117, right? 117.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So clear now?
So why should we add them?
What you'll find out which angle CBF no.
Yes, sir.
Hey, why? I don't know. Yeah, that's your question is. Why you want to add? Come on. It was correct. Ritika type Bhargavi and all 1 your question is correct. We want only DBF only, right?
In the question
CBF.
it was DBF.
Yeah, we want CBF. We want add CBF. The full angle you have to find out. Clear, no? Correct. 117. Correct. Right?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. So then I thought again DBF only. Okay. So DBF no need to add it. Okay. So next one. So you class 8, whether you learn alternate
So what's the
angles,
answer? So what's the answer?
answer is CBD 51, CBF 117.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question. Class 8 or 7, whether you studied alternate angles, corresponding angles,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
pointed angles. Okay. Okay. Before coming next class, just read that one. We need that. Okay.
Okay,
Before
sir.
before the next class, we have to do that one. Okay. Now, next question. In figure below, in figure below, find angle COD. Find angle COD. Find angle COD. Okay, find out. After getting, everyone type your answer. Okay, everyone type your answer.
So what should we find?
Find angle COD.
Yes, sir.
Find angle COD.
Sir, what angles we have to find?
Angle COD. Angle COD. Okay. Okay, Richa, correct? Radhika, correct? Angle COD you have to find out. Kriba, correct? Anjali, correct? Okay, everyone, work out fast. Kunal, wrong. Alina, correct? Shakti, correct? Aditi, correct? Nidania, correct? Megha, getting or not? Meghna. Okay, Shreya, correct? Tavish, correct? Okay, look, symbol x plus 20 plus 2x minus 20 plus 60 equal to 180. 20 straight away cancel. 3x equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120. X equal to 40. So this angle 2 into 40 minus 20. 80 minus 20 equal to 60. Okay. Here now angle COD equal to 60. Okay. So this enough today. Before coming next class, you check this note plus class 8 or 7. You learn alternate angles, corresponding angles, and co-linear angles because continuation I have to do it. Okay, then what I have to say? Okay, Tuesday timing is okay. Thank you, Amar. Okay, Tuesday timing is 2 o'clock. Okay.